my friends. Hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to Who doesn't love mac and cheese? I do. I loved it since I was a little girl and still love it today. So today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some southern baked macaroni and cheese. And this recipe is thebomb.com. It's going to have 5 different kinds of cheese. It's going to be cheesy, delicious, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And this would be great to make with your kids, and it will satisfy everybody at your Thanksgiving dinner. So grab your pasta and your cheese, sugar, because we're about to bake some macaroni and cheese magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, here are the 5 cheeses we're going to use for this recipe. In this bowl I have 2 cups each of Colby Jack, Havarti, and sharp cheddar, 1/3 cup of whipped cream cheese, and in this bowl I have 2 cups of mild cheddar that we're going to put on top. And I recommend grated your own cheese instead of buying already shredded. Alright my friends, and over here in this pot I have 4 cups of evaporated milk, which is a quart. And you just want to heat it through. You don't want it to boil. Alright my friends, in my large pot of salted water, we're going to add in a pound of elbow macaroni. Going to give it a quick stir so it won't stick. And you want to let the elbow macaroni cook just a little under al dente, about 5 minutes. Alright my friends, to make our cheese sauce, in my pot over medium heat, I melted 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And we're going to add in 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. This is going to be our bechamel sauce. Going to whisk the flour in. And we're going to cook it for 2 minutes to get rid of that raw flour taste. Alright my friends, this is what the butter and flour look like after 2 minutes. So now we're going to gently pour the hot evaporated milk into the flour mixture. Be very careful. And whisk real slowly. Alright, so now we're going to let the milk cook until it gets nice and thick. Alright my friends, the bechamel sauce is ready. Nice and thick. Alright, that looks great. And I removed it off the fire. So now time to add in our cheese. The cream cheese. And my seasonings, I'm using salt, white pepper, a little bit of sugar, and some ground mustard. You want to be careful not to add too much salt because cheese has a lot of salt in it. And we're just going to stir the cheeses in until it melts. My friends, look at this creamy, cheesy cheese sauce. Woo-wee! Cheesy goodness. Alright, that looks great. So now we're going to add in the cooked pasta that I drained, and we're just going to stir the macaroni into that cheese sauce. Good Lord Almighty, my mouth's watering. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring up my mac and cheese, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through stirring the pasta into the cheese sauce. Ooh, that looks delicious. Alright, that looks great. Now we're going to pour our mac and cheese into a 9x13-inch pan that I greased with butter. Alright my friends, I got my mac and cheese into my pan. So now we're going to top it with the mild cheddar cheese. My friends, look at that money shot right there. All that mild cheddar cheese on top. Now we're ready to put this mac and cheese in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 30 to 35 minutes until the cheese is nice and melted. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright my friends, there you have it. Southern baked 5-cheese macaroni and cheese. And it smells incredible up in this kitchen. You see the cheese nice and golden brown, and it's made completely from scratch. Yum, yum. Alright, so now I'm going to let our mac and cheese cool, and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, here we go. Ooh, y'all hear that? Nice and creamy. OMG. This is awesome. Cheesy. The pasta's nice and cooked. I love the cheesy crust on top. Y'all would love this recipe. Brings me back to my childhood. This deserves another bite. Scrumptious. Mac and cheese delicious. Well, my friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and happy Thanksgiving.